run. Right off the start, looks like 74493 is picking up a ton of cubes. Off the builders, knocking a cube off the post. 74493 is looking about to score all those cubes. Bob the Builder's looking to also score a cube. 74493A. Robinson's in the front of the robot. As we get 35 seconds, we now switch drivers. Bob the Builder's looking to reset their robot. As we get to 25 seconds, she must now switch drivers. 74493 trying to get some cubes. As we get to the last 15 seconds, we'll see if
knock the red. Knock the red.
10 seconds left. Keeps trying to mark.
Got me up. Mark.
74493.
No.
Yeah, we've got Q92. We've got 192.